Hi there. Well, I've came to the realisation over the last few rides I've been on that my tyres just weren't coping with the conditions I've been in. Been too muddy for them, too sloppy and greasy, and I feel that it's been one of the major reasons why I've crashed a few times, that my tyres have just been slipping about. And especially so my last journey out, when I was out at Benarty Hill, the tyres were just totally clogged and no grip whatsoever, so I've taken the plunge and decided I'm going to change the tyres. I've never changed tubeless tyres before. This is the first. Changed plenty of tube tyres before, so I thought I'd video me doing it for the first time. This is the tyre that I had on it, a Maxxis Forecaster tyre. Nothing wrong with the tyre at all really, other than it just wasn't suitable for the conditions I've been riding in. If you can see, the knobbles on it aren't very big, and it's quite a rounded tyre. What I've gone for, after a lot of research for the front tyre, is a Magic Mary, which you can just see the knobbles are far bigger, and it's the orange one. Evo Snakeskin TLE Compound Addict Soft, it says, so it's meant to give you a lot more grip. And I've gone for a slightly wider tyre as well, so hopefully it'll give me more surface area to get grip with. And for the rear tyre, I've gone with a Maxxis Minion DHR2, and again it's slightly wider than the Forecaster tyre, and the knobbles a lot bigger as well. And this is meant to be still quite a fast rolling tyre, so hopefully it won't drain my energy too much cycling with these things on, but what I'm really looking for is that extra grip. As I said, I've never fitted a tubeless tyre before, so I've watched lots of videos again on how to do it, and so I'm going for a method that's on GMBN, and they said it's sort of the cleanest method, where you basically take the old tyre off, you fit the tyre to the rim, pump it up completely, pop it on so it seals onto the rim, and then you pour the sealant in through the valve once you've taken the valve core out. So I'm going to go for that method. A lot easier said than done, I'm sure. Well, I'll soon find out. So some of the things I've got to help me do this is the track pump, pressure gauge, tyre sealant, injector to put the sealant in with, valve core remover, and of course some tyre levers, actually the tyres. Removing the valve core. That's it. So that's me got the old tyre off and just giving this a clean with some soapy water. Just try and get all the old sealant off the rim. It's drying off, ready to put the new tyre on. So next I'm going to fit the tyre onto the rim, making sure that the tyre is in the correct rotation. And I want to, purely for aesthetics, line up the valve core that says Magic Mary, just like that. That's one side on. Now to start doing the other side. Soapy water around the rim, which I probably should have done before I did any of that. So it's meant to just help it see in easier. So the next thing is I've got a loan of this called Airshot, which basically you use your track pump to pump up the Airshot to the required PSI level, and then this blasts it all into the tyre in one go. You should pop the tyre onto the rim rather than struggling just to pump up using the track pump. So Patterson kindly gave me a loan of this Airshot, so fingers crossed it works well. So I've now attached the Airshot to the valve and open it and hopefully pop on. Looks like it's on right. Let's not see it right. Squint. Try again. Seems it. Whoa. Certainly a pop there. I think that's it on. Yeah. Whoa, another one. It's definitely seated on the rims now, which is good. That was quite easy. Now we've got to put the sealant in. I'm going to give the sealant a shake. Make sure it's all nice and mixed up. About 60 mils in the air. So that's me put the sealant into the tyre now completely. I've put the valve core back on. Now I just need to pump the tyre back up to the way I like it inflated, and that should be one tyre done. Try and make sure the sealant's everywhere in it. First tubeless tyre successfully mounted onto the rim, and hopefully this Magic Mary is going to make my riding a lot more secure and less scary, give me that extra grip. So here's a real clear comparison about the difference of the tyres. The Magic Mary is a lot thicker than the Forsaker, and just the height of the knobbles as well, so it should give me a lot more grip. It should be a lot better. Now I have to do the rear Axis Main DHR2. So that's the second one on now. I just need to pop it onto the rims. So the Airshot is connected. Let's open it up and hopefully it pops on first time. Release the air in again. It's not on the rim right. Third time lucky, hopefully. Now it's time for sealant.
number 2 done.
So that's my first experience of putting on tubeless tyres, and I have to say it was relatively easy. It would have been a lot harder without the Airshot. It took 3 attempts to get this Maxus seated, but only a couple of attempts for the magic bearing. Now all that's left is to put them back on the bike.
So there we have it. New tyres on my bike. Hopefully give me a lot more grip and traction and make it a lot more enjoyable to ride. Job done. See you in the next one.